Come test drive the 2017 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers, roof rack, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Your new ride is just a phone call away.